today, let's start with chapter number 7 in our internal organs. What are internal organs? Internal organs are present inside our body. We cannot touch them, we cannot see them because but they are working inside our body all the time. What are the internal organs like your heart, brain, lungs, liver, kidney? What are these? These are the internal or they play a most important vital role in our life. Now let's start with the chapter. I will tell you about all the internal organs one by one. All human beings have different organs to perform various functions. The one we can see are called external organs. They help us to actually do things such as running or driving. Because we have different types of organs in our body. The organs which we can see, touch, they are external organs, and the external organs they help in doing many work, like with the hands, we write, with the legs, we walk, run. It helps in doing different types of work. There are the other part which we cannot see. They are called internal part of the body. They carry out all the process of the body. Let's study about these internal organs. That I have told you that internal organs are the organs which are present inside our body. We cannot see them, we cannot touch them, but they are working inside our body throughout the day. Okay? They do all the life process activities of our body. Now, one by one, let's study about all the internal organs. Like this is your brain, your stomach, your heart, your kidney, your lungs, and your liver. The head consists of the skull. And what is skull? Skull is actually a group of nerves. It is very important because it has brain inside it. In skull के अंदर हमारे क्या होता है? Brain, which is the important part of our body. The skull protects the brain, and the brain is the control center of the body because it controls the work of all the other parts. What is brain called? It is called control center of the body because it controls all the activities our body does. We are able to think, speak, see, work because of the brain. We can speak, we can think, we can see, we can work with the help of our brain. Now, human skull. The neck connects the head to the trunk, and the trunk is the part of the body below the head. What is trunk? It is the part of body that is your below the head. This is your trunk. And two parts of the chest above the abdomen below, two or more most parts organ lie in both. There are different organs that lie in these are the lungs and आपके lungs और heart भी कहाँ lie करते हैं आपके chest. Now, an adult जो होता है, it's breathe in and out about 1.2 times a minute, and each breath is about half liter of air. कितने? Half liter. और a person may breathe 60 times a minute, और जो raise कर रहा है वो 60 times a minute breathe. Now, there are two lungs in the chest, and they help to breathe. और जो air fill करती है lungs को when we breathe in. And this air has oxygen, which is very necessary for life. If there will be no oxygen available, then we will not be able to live. And the lungs contract. when lungs क्या करते हैं? Contract करते हैं जब हम breathe out करते हैं, और जब breathe in करते हैं तो extract. The heart. The heart pumps blood to all parts of the body. It beats day and night. This is called heartbeat. The stomach, liver, kidneys, kidney are the important organs in the abdomen. What heart do? It pumps the blood. It's beat all the time. जिसे हम क्या कहते हैं? Heart beat. And other internal organs are your stomach, your liver, your kidney, your heart, and your intestine. These organs are responsible for digestion of food and getting rid of waste. Stomach है ये हमें किसमें help करता है in the digestion of food and getting rid of waste matter. The food we eat goes into the stomach where it is mixed with juices so that it is digested. वो किसके साथ mix हो जाता है? Juices के साथ, that is digested. The food then goes into the small and the large intestine where it is absorbed by the body. ये कहाँ जाता है? Small intestine, large intestine में जाता है, जहाँ पे body क्या करती है? उसको absorb करती है. The liver is the organ in the upper abdomen. It helps to digest food. और ये क्या करता है? Food को digest करता है. Also in the upper abdomen are two kidneys. हमारे upper abdomen में दो kidneys हैं, and kidneys purify blood and get rid of waste material in the form of urine. And the waste material comes out of our body in the form of urine. Urine के form में क्या आता है? तो waste material होता है वो हमारी body से बाहर आता है. Each internal organ has a special function, and if there is a problem with even other parts are affected. देखो हर एक internal organ का अपना अपना काम होता है. If one is affected, the other will also affect due to its work. Now, our brain does not feel pain. खाली एक ऐसी brain ऐसी चीज है जो pain feel नहीं कर. Now, our chapter has been complete. We will quickly revise what all we have studied in this chapter. I have told you about internal organs which are present inside our body and they're working all the time. And what they are doing? They are doing the life processes activity. External organs which are present outside the body, you can feel, you can touch them, and you can see them. Like I can touch my hands, I can touch my eyes, I can touch my ear. What are these? These are external organs and they are visible from outside. And then we have seen different internal organs like heart, brain, stomach, liver, your kidneys, brain beauty. These are our internal organs. Let's do the exercise of the chapter. Pick the correct option. All human beings have different dashboard. Organ part three. All human beings have different organ work. The brain is the dash of the body. Control center, uncontrolled center, या base center. It is the control center. The adult breathes in and about dash time a minute. कितने minute? 140. The dash is the organ in the upper abdomen. आपके upper abdomen में क्या होता है? That is your liver. The dash protects the brain skull. जो आपका skull होता है वो क्या करता है? Brain को protect करता है. Now let's start with fill in the blanks. The skull is made up of. जो skull है वो किसका बना है? The skull is made up of
Brains.
the air we breathe in as oxygen, and the food in the stomach is mixed with. किसके साथ mix हो जाता है? Juices. The air we breathe out has the process of body are carried out by. किस कौन carry out करता है? Process of body are organ. Now, write T for true and F for false statement. The brain is the control center of the body. It's true. Brain क्या होता है? Control center होता है हमारी body का. The liver is an organ in the upper abdomen. It's true. The heart pumps blood to all parts of the body. It's true. कहाँ pump करता है? सारे part. The food we eat goes into kidney. False. कहाँ जाता है आपके? Small intestine. The air has carbon dioxide. False. Air के अंदर क्या होता है? Oxygen होता है. Now, where are the following organs found? Your chest. Where it is found? Upper abdomen, neck, below, where is brain, found, skull, the heart, the stomach, abdomen. Now write the functions of each of the organ in one sentence. Liver. What is the work of liver? Next is lungs. It helps in breathe and breathe out. Brain. It is the control center of the body. Kidney. What it's do? It's extract waste material from the body. Now answer the following question. Write any two functions of brain. You have to write the two functions of brain. It controls all the functions. It is the control center of the body. And it works throughout that. It helps us to read, write, speak the things. What is skull and how it works? Skull होता क्या है? वो कैसे काम करता है? Define human lungs and describe their breathing process. हम कैसे breathe in करते हैं तो lungs क्या करते हैं? Extract करते हैं, breathe out करते हैं तो क्या करते हैं? They extract. What are the important organs in human abdomen? We have to write the important organs of human abdomen. And lastly, you have to define. Now our chapter has been completed. Hope you understood the chapter. That's all for today. Thank you.